In this video, we're going to cover the advanced use of Canvas using the variables, right? So we had an introduction to the Canvas component in a previous video. And so in this one, we're simply going to use the XY location of a tap to update our labels XY, okay? So if we notice our Canvas events, okay, we have all these possible events for our Canvas interactions, and the one we really want is touched, but all of these come with variables that are passed to our event, right? So for instance, in dragged, we have start X and start Y, and that is where we first put our finger on the screen. So the starting X location, horizontal, so X goes from 0 at the top of the screen all the way across, right? So 0 from the left edge all the way across, increasing. And start Y goes from 0 at the top of the screen all the way down, increasing. Okay, so start X and start Y, as well as several other locations, including where our finger currently is, the current X and current Y. For the other events, we get a simple XY because we don't maintain contact with the screen. So for instance, when we touch or tap the screen, we're simply getting an XY, and whether we touched a sprite that's defined on the canvas. And we'll talk about sprites in a later video. Right? So we can delete these blocks. Right? All we want is the touched event. And so what we're going to do here is simply update the labels that we have set up. So X label, we want to grab the text, and Y label, we want to set the text. So we're grabbing the set dark green blocks, and we now need to get X and get Y. So we do that by hovering. Oops, sorry, got the set block on accident. Get Y. Right? So we can hover over these variables and use the grab method by hovering and then grab it, or we can just get the get block from our variables list and then use the drop down menu to select X. Okay, so that is how we would set X and set Y, the label text values, every time we tap the canvas. So now when we tap the canvas, anywhere on our canvas down here, our X and our Y will update to screen values. And so this has been a basic introduction on how to use the variables for the canvas event. And we can use these for all sorts of means, whether we're doing calculations or we want to know the location of a tap or a drag start location versus my current location in the case of the dragged event, which has multiple variables.